keeping your shirt on, stay calm and collected. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Today, we're exploring a curious expression that often puzzles learners: keep one's shirt on. Stick around to uncover its meaning, origin, and how to use it in everyday conversations. Keep one's shirt on is a popular English idiom that has nothing to do with clothing in a literal sense. Instead, it's a colorful way of telling someone to remain calm, patient, or to not get overly excited or angry about something. It's akin to saying, "Calm down," or "Take it easy." The phrase is believed to originate from the early 20th century. One theory suggests it's derived from the idea of someone becoming so angry or agitated that they might literally start to remove their clothing in preparation for a physical fight. Thus, telling someone to keep their shirt on is like advising them not to escalate the situation to a level of physical confrontation. This idiom is versatile and can be used in various contexts, from light-hearted banter among friends to more serious advice during a disagreement. Here are a few examples. In a friendly dispute, "Hey, keep your shirt on. I was just joking about who's the better cook." Calming someone down, "Keep your shirt on, we'll get to the movies in time. The traffic isn't that bad." In a work situation, "I need everyone to keep their shirts on and focus on finding a solution rather than blaming each other." Like many idioms, "keep one's shirt on" can be slightly altered without losing its meaning. Phrases such as "hold your horses" or "cool your jets" convey a similar message of urging patience or calmness. Understanding idioms like "keep one's shirt on" not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you grasp the nuances of English. These expressions add color and depth to our conversations, making them more vibrant and expressive. We hope this video has helped demystify this phrase for you and that you'll feel confident using it in your own conversations. Keep learning, and keep your shirt on. Patience and perseverance are key to mastering a new language. See you in the next video.